Alright, so we got a GE frozen up pretty bad, so we got a bad fan. No air is coming up. Yeah, they're okay. So now we just gotta steam all these so we can get to the fan. Slice. So we just steam it, rolling all the ice off these so we can change out the fan. Alright, this is the new fan. We still gotta steam a little bit more. That's the old one that's bad. Alright, so we got it apart. The last people who worked on this, they pretty much tore this apart. So I just gotta steam just a little bit more. Alright, so I don't know what they did right here or why they did it, but that's not good. Alright, so we can see the fan is spinning. So we're good to go.